Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie, the Emerging Technology Librarian here at Lauritama Central Library. Welcome to Library Highlights, where we talk about programs and events happening here at the Corpus Christi Public Libraries. September is Library Card Sign-Up Month. During this time, you can go into one of our 6 locations and get a one-time replacement card absolutely free. All you would need to do is to bring your existing card that needs to be replaced or a valid picture ID to verify your library card information. September is also Hunger Action Month and kicks off our Food for Fines event. Food for Fines is a partnership between the Corpus Christi Public Libraries and the Coastal Bend Food Bank, where all the donations will go. The library will be accepting non-perishable items to clear overdue fines only. That means for each donated item, it will clear $1 in overdue fines. Here is some important information about this event. Food for Fines will begin September 1st and end September 30th. Items that will be accepted must be commercially packaged, labeled, and current. Non-perishable items include canned goods, prepackaged food, and packs of water. Pet food is also acceptable. Items that will not be accepted include any perishable items, soda, candy, cardboard drink containers, drink pouches, expired and open containers, homemade items, or those without nutrition labels. This event will only clear existing fines. Sorry folks, lost or damaged fees will not be included. No fines, donations are welcome and greatly appreciated. If you need any more information about library card replacements or have Food for Fine questions, you can give us a call at 361-826-7055 or check out our website at cctexas.com/library or watch our social media sites. Thanks for watching, folks. See you at the library.